St Mary's Church, people. Yep. That's where Sir Richard Arkwright is buried. And Willersley Castle behind me, which you can't see with the GoPro at the moment, that's where his home was. That was his actual house or home, yeah. And Cromford Mill was where he done all his work. Right folks, we parked up for the night. And we got a little village here that was made out of wood. Right next door to St Mary's Church, where Sir Richard Arkwright is supposed to be buried. That's a noisy road, isn't it? It's a tractor gone past. I hope it's going to be quiet tonight. Must find my toothbrush to my teeth in a minute as well. So viewers, we all know where that building is, don't we? Cromford Railway Station. We're doing a bit of car camping in Cromford this weekend. Tonight we've stayed at, well, by the time we get this we would have stayed there at Cromford Mill. Today is Thursday, tomorrow is Friday. Where are we staying tomorrow night? We don't know yet. Got to watch your space, yeah. Now those two people walking towards us, they are walking the whole length of the barge trip. That's going up to Leewood pumping station, about a mile up the road, or up the canal rather. It's coming back in 2 hours time, by which time we might be asleep for half an hour somewhere in our van, little car camping.
It feels like a lifetime. December. Next week.
And that's it, and now the ducks and the swans have come out to play, look. Anyone fancy buying me an ice cream? Check out my Ko-fi website, ko-fi.com website. On a hot day like this we need ice cream, don't we? Right. Don't forget to subscribe. Alright folks, well we're up here in Cromford, camping overnight somewhere in Cromford, in our car, in our Ford Focus car camping. We just come to Cromford Canal. This little barge is going to be going along the canal in a minute and comes back in 2 hours time. If you're an old bugger like me, it's 10 quid. And don't forget to subscribe. Are you car camping this weekend? Have you been car camping? Where you been? What country are you in? Let me know in the comment below. Access to Escarping Rock closed till further notice. The recent heavy rains have caused damage to the main steps going up. We only had about 1 day of rain so far in the past 6 weeks. But saying that, there's no way I'll get up there. It's very steep. I think you've got to be fit to get up here now, haven't you? Oh yeah. Escarping Rock. What you can see if you got up here. It's an outcrop which ran from here right across the A6 to Cromford village. Standing at about 105 metres at the highest point, a walk up the rock will reward you with magnificent views of Sir Richard Arkwright's Cromford Mills and his country house and estate, Winnisea Castle. I thought that's right. So that hotel across the road is where Richard Arkwright lived in the 18th century. So anybody been to Winnisea Castle, where the hotel is, that hotel I just showed you, that was Richard Arkwright's house, yeah. I thought I was right. I thought it was his house, yeah. I'll ask this little beaver down there if he knows, does he know? Hello mate. How you doing, alright? He ain't talking today, that one. Never mind. So rather than go up these steps, which you can't go up at the moment, we can get a better view with the drone, can't we? I'm just waiting for the sun to change direction. Then we'll get a drone out. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, folks. The more subscribers, the better. Hopefully, if we're still here tonight, camping tonight over here, we get some nighttime shots, can't we? Yeah. Alright viewers, behind Cromford Mill we've got the church, St Mary's Church, where I believe Sir Richard Arkwright is buried inside the church. If you go down this little slope here, you've got a river. The tide is going left to right, so it's that way. And on the other side of a bank we've got a big posh hotel, yeah. It's another hot day today in June 2025, yeah. Long time ago I did fly the drone around this area. If we camp here tonight, I might get a drone out tonight and have a look around tonight, folks. I've got a nice shady spot, so I'll be fine. Won't get sunburnt. Can you see that building over there? That's a very expensive hotel to stay in. Not sure how much it is, but it's quite expensive. Wonder if we've got any fishes in this river, have we? I do believe that building over there has something to do with Richard Arkwright. I don't know whether he lived there or what. Do you know anything about that building over there before it turned into a hotel? in the old days with Sir Richard Arkwright. Anybody know the history about that? But from what I've been told, what I've heard, inside that church is where Richard Arkwright is buried, I think. Correct me if I'm wrong, people. You know, you might know. Not many people are about here, are there? They're inside Cromford Mill. There's loads of school kids there today. Must be doing a history lesson. Good old wooden bench here, look. Wonder how old that is. I can't see nobody fishing here, so I don't know if we've got fishes or not, have we? It's nice and cool, isn't it? Yeah. I might get a drone out later on and do that church again. From above, yeah, from above. You've got a signpost up here. Cromford Village to the right. St Mary's Church to the left. And I'm out of breath now, hold on. Right. Ah, that's better.